Hello and welcome. This is the Casio AE-1200 and I'm going to show you how to change your daylight saving time mode or how to turn it on or off. So let's get started. Be aware that before changing your daylight saving time mode, you have to put your watch in the T1 time zone. So that is done by pressing the lower right button whilst you are in the standard timekeeping mode. This watch has 4 time zones and you can set each one of those. But your T1 time zone is your main time zone. So once we are in our main time zone or T1, press and hold the upper left button until you hear the beep. And there it is. The seconds are flashing, and when the seconds are flashing, you press the mode button once and the DST starts to blink, which means that we are now in the position of shuffling our daylight saving time mode by pressing this button over here. You can shuffle it between on or off. I'm gonna leave it at on. Once I've changed my daylight saving time mode between on or off, I'm going to simply press the upper left button and we are back at the standard timekeeping mode or T1 as you saw briefly. And that would be all. We have changed our daylight saving time mode on the Casio AE-1200. Thank you very much for watching.